Hi, this is Dean from Sentinel Soap. In today's video I'm going to be making a loaf of Hawaiian Breeze. Now I made this last week but it didn't go down too well. The lye and the mixture just didn't go. I made a mistake somewhere, I'm not quite sure where. These things happen and the loaf didn't turn out. So I'm back to try it again. And today I'm going to be using the coat hanger technique. I hope you like this video. So I love the look of this swirl. I thought there would have been a bigger swirl, but because of the size of the coat hanger, it didn't give me that extra bit around. And I think if I poured white, then blue, then white, then blue, when the coat hanger goes down, it's got blue to pick up the other side, which it didn't in this case. So I know what to do next time. I love this soap and I'm really happy with the results. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.